Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create curvy backgrounds with Canva. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you some keywords which will help you in making curvy backgrounds. I will put all these keywords in the description. Now just go over here on the elements on the left side, go on the search bar and type abstract blob. You can use these elements to make your background curve. Now the second keyword is curve shape. You can see. Now the third keyword is curvy abstract. Just type these keywords in the search bar. You can use these elements to make curvy backgrounds. So that's it for the video. That's how you can make a curvy background in Canva. Thanks for watching.